tayo. Third problem for this session. So, continue tayo. So, find the integral of x squared parenthesis e raised to 1 minus x cubed over 3 dx. So, as what I've been saying kanina, always ang exponent or yung pinaka-complex sa given problem, always the exponent and complex dun sa given problem, yun yung magiging u natin. Okay? So, let u is equals to yung exponent ng e. So, u is equals to 1 minus x cubed over 3. So, now we have here du or the derivative of u is equals to negative x squared dx. Para ma-cancel natin yung negative, nag-divide ako both sides ng negative 1. Okay? So, nag-divide ako both sides ng negative 1. So, we have here negative du is equals to x squared dx. So, now, nasatisfy na natin yung given equation. Nasatisfy na natin tong formula na to. Okay, nasatisfy na natin siya. Meron na tayong EU and meron na din tayong DU. Yung DU natin is x squared dx and U, 1 minus x cubed over 3. So, pwede natin siya ngayong i-substitute. Okay? Ay, pwede natin siya ngayong i-integrate. Or negative EU plus C. Okay? So, equals to, ganyan. Negative e raised to 1 minus x cubed over 3 plus c. So, ayan na yung final answer natin. Okay? Negative e raised to 1 minus x cubed over 3 plus c. Okay? So, ayan yung sagot sa number 3. So, di ba? Technically, parang lang din kayo lang siya, integration by substitution. Okay, nadagdagan lang tayo ng other formulas. So, try natin tong isang problem. Problem number 4. Find the integral of 2 log of e over x dx. Find the integral of 2 log e over x dx. Okay. So, mapapansin niyo sa given problem natin, it's 2 log of e. 2 log of e with base 10 over x dx. So, technically, yung numerator natin, guys, constant yan constant or may value. So, pwede natin gawin, itong 2 log e natin, distribute na lang natin siya sa kabilang side. So, mangyayari, magiging 2 log of e and integral of dx over x. So, balik tayo ngayon sa integral of dx over x equals to ln x plus c. Okay? So, ayan. 2 log of e ln x plus c. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan nyo, may dyan, parenthesis. May parenthesis din dito, okay? And then, may bracket na malaki. Ayan. Okay na yan. 2 log e ln x plus c. Kasi technically, itong log e natin, pag trinay yung i-calculator yan, may value yan. Okay? Try natin. Log e. Meron siyang value na 0.434. Okay? 0.434. Ay, 0.434. So, technically, may value yung log e natin. Okay, guys? So, next problem tayo. Di ba, medyo basic lang naman. Hindi kayo mahihirapan. Number 5. Okay, find the integral. Find the integral of e raised to x square root of e raised to x minus 2 dx. So, find the integral of e raised to x parenthesis square root of e raised to x minus 2 parenthesis dx. Okay, find the integral. So, yun nga, find the integral of e raised to x parenthesis square root of e raised to x minus 2 dx. So, ang gagawin, as always, first step natin sa mga ganitong problem, if kung kayang i-integrate by substitution, integrate by substitution tayo. So, syempre, lahat ng ibibigay kong problem ngayon is mostly solvable siya by integration by substitution. So, hindi nyo pa kailangang isipin kung ano yung integration by parts. Kasi, sa last part pa ng midterm yon. Katulad nito, magliletyo ka. So, mangyayari, magliletyo ka either ito o either yan. Mamili lang kayo kung anong ilelet nyo dyan. Parehas lang yan. Pero dahil, isa sa mga tips sa pagliletyo, ang palagi natin sinasubstitute is yung more complex or yung mas complex na equation or term dun sa given problem natin. So, u is equals to e raised to x minus 2. Katulad ng sabi ko, so ayun nga, di ba? Pagkawa natin ng u, derive na natin yung u natin. So, du is equals to e raised to x dx. Kahit anong gawin nyo sa e raised to x na yan, kahit i-derive nyo pa yan, i-integrate nyo pa yan, as is na ganyan yung mangyayari. Walang magbabago at walang magbabago sa kanya. Okay? So, ayun. Next natin. Meron na tayong so, after nun, nasatisfy natin yung given equation. Meron na tayong u as e raised to x minus 2 and meron na tayong du as e raised to x dx. So, ito na yung given equation natin. Square root of u du. And dahil square root siya, technically, papasok ngayon yung power rule natin na tinatawag. Okay? Power rule. Okay? So, magiging square root of u 1/2 du. And then, equals to u raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, magiging u raised to 3/2 over 3 over 2 plus c. And then, final answer, 2/3 of e raised to x minus 2, parenthesis, raised to 3/2 plus c. Yun yung final answer natin for this given problem. Okay? Any questions sa naging setup na, any questions sa steps na ginawa ko? Guys.
Sir, paulit yung last.
Next tayo. Last two problems. This one. Ito, maganda to. Hindi, saan yun? Siya yun. Number 10. Ay, number 10. Number 6 pala. Find the integral of e raised to x dx. Ayan. Find the integral of the square root of e raised to x dx. Recording ko. So guys, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, 'di ba? Kung dito, kasi itong u na to, ano siya, e raised to x minus 2. Hindi siya as in the same. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, sure ako na-discuss ko sa inyo to, 'di ba? Yung properties of exponents. So we have properties of exponents that paano ba to? Multiplying of exponents. So what if ibang kulay? What a raised to m, parenthesis, raised to n is equals to a raised to m multiplied by n. mn, ganon. So, dito, mapapansin nyo guys, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite. Pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as e raised to x, parenthesis, 1/2. Okay? Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-let u. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-let u is equals to e raised to x. Kasi nga, kahit anong gawin mo sa e raised to x na yan, magiging e raised to x dx pa din yan. So, and technically, sa given problem natin, wala na tayong ibang e raised to x bukod dun sa nilet u natin. So, hindi tayo pwede mag-substitution dito. So, may iba tayong way para ma-solve to. So, ang gagawin natin is multiplying or multiplication of exponent na tinatawag. So, yung x, multiply natin sa 1/2. Ano nang magiging sagot? X times 1/2. Anong sagot? Ano nang bagong exponent natin, guys?
E raised to 1/2 po, sir.
X raised to, x over 2. So, e raised to x over 2. Yan na yung bagong ano natin. Okay? Nagigets ba? Nagigets nyo pa ba, Gab? Yung iba, Jobel, Lorenzo, Nathan, Shoson. Sabi kayo kung hindi. Feeling naman ako ano.
Opo, sir.
Okay, so, ayan. Last two problems naman na. Higpitan nyo pa. So, from here, so ito na yung bago nating working equation. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is, maglilet. Anong lilet yun na natin? Let u is equals to x over 2. Okay? So, technically, final answer. Anong du natin? Du is equals to 1/2 dx. Okay? So, divide by 1/2 So, 2 du is equals to 1/2. 2 du is equals to dx. Okay? So, kaya ako nag-divide ng 1/2 para mag-cancel out. Kasi dito sa given problem natin, dx lang yung hinahanap. Okay? So, ayan. So, magiging problem na natin, guys, is magiging the integral of e raised to u multiplied by 2 du. Okay? And then, magiging 2 integral of eu du. Final answer, 2 e raised to x over 2 plus c. Okay? So, ayan na yung working equation natin, guys. Ayan na yung final answer natin. 2e raised to x over 2 plus c. Okay? So, ayan na yung sagot natin for this problem. Okay, guys. Last problem tayo bago kayo antukin. Hindi ko inaantok na kayo. Number 7. Okay. Find the integral of e raised to x multiplied by e raised to 2x dx. So, paano gagawin natin ngayon dito?
Yung value, sir. Para sa
Same. Dahil meron tayong same base. Okay? Okay, tatandaan nyo na, properties ng exponent to, guys. If meron tayong same base, so, yan, same base siya na a. So, pwedeng gawing a raised to m plus n. Okay? So, yun yung process na ginawa dito. So, the integral of e raised to x multiplied by e raised to 2x dx can be worked out as e raised to 3x dx. Okay? So, yun na yung working equation natin. So, let u is equals to 3x. As always, exponent, guys, du is equals to 3 dx. Okay? Divide both sides ng 3. So, final answer. So, equals to, cancel to, magiging eu du over 3. Okay? So, magiging 1/3 eu plus c or 1/3 e raised to 3x plus c. Okay? So, ayan na yung final answer natin for this given equation. Okay? So, ayun lang muna yung topic natin for this week. So, next week siguro na tayo. Group quiz tayo regarding sa topic na to. Okay? Okay, guys. Any questions regarding sa topic?